how to change EPB pad. The meaning of EPB is electronic parking brake. Before changing brake pad changing mode should be performed. This will allow you to push the piston into the caliper by retracting speed knob with actuator. Now I will show you. As you know, the OBD connector location depends on vehicles. The OBD connector location of Grandeur HG is here. You will reduce waste time to turn it on because this can has a battery inside. Turn on the ignition. Select Hyundai General. Select vehicle selection. Grandeur HG 2012 3.0 DOHC electronic parking brake EPB and select OK and select software management. Select pad change mode before change. Set condition engine off, ignition on, and release electronic parking brake. Engine off, ignition on, and electronic parking brake release. Select OK. It has been completed. Now you can change electronic parking brake pad. If you don't perform pad change mode, you cannot push the piston into the caliper and EPB will be broken. After replacing the EPB pad, you have to do the pad change mode after change. Select pad change mode after change. Select OK. It has been completed. After finishing all process for replacing EPB pad, if you want to make sure EPB pad is fitted or not, you can use assembly check function. Select assembly check. And select OK. It has been completed. If you get a customer who wants to replace EPB pad, please don't forget to use head change mode function by G-Scan. I will see you next time with better information. Thank you for watching our movie today. See you next time. Bye.